Okay, just got my computer back yesterday from service, which they did an outstanding job getting it back to me. Reported that there was a hard drive issue, replaced a hard drive. This unfortunately happens to be the third hard drive, but also replaced the battery. So here's what we got. And it's been booting up and going down all night long. I got up this morning about 4:30, excited to try to get my files back in order, and this is what I've been getting. I have a tremendous amount of work to do. Luckily, I have another computer, but this was my main one because it is an Ultrabook. It's very light, mobile, and is generally pretty trustworthy. So, needless to say, I'm very upset. The team here kept in contact with me on Facebook and had a great rapport, but unfortunately, like a lot of companies, the right hand doesn't know what the left hand's doing, and this is what we get. Oh well, what do you do?